Well, throw these on. This is going to be probably the worst ride I've ever done. As you can see, it's raining. I'm intentionally going for a ride. And that noise is thunder, because it is thunder and lightning out. I got my rain cover on here. This is gonna suck. You can hear it raining. My ass is gonna be soaked. Close my visor here. Yeah, this is gonna suck. What we're doing is I got my new bearing in for that back tire. I've been waiting to ride it until I got that bearing. I just got it. I'd like to get it put in, and I have tonight off of work, so we're gonna go for a ride over to Dad's house and try to put it on. I called Dad, told him to, if it starts, I'll be there in 5 minutes. I told him if it starts to rain hard, open the garage door so I can pull right in. My headlight's working. Well, oh. This is the first time I've rode in the rain on purpose. This will actually be the first rain test of that new back tire, too. I hate rain. Feels like, you ever go to the carnivals and they have those, the guy loads the CO2 powered BB guns up with 100 BBs and you gotta shoot out the star? Well, feels like I'm that star. This is terrible. There goes Aunt Kim. Hell of a day not to wear my gloves. It is foggy, holy crap. I've been driving the last couple nights and it's been pretty foggy then too. Oh. I got caught in the rain one time. I don't know why I'm yelling. Hopefully it'll pick up my voice. I got caught in the rain one time, and it was hard. Rained real hard. I actually leaned right over my tank so my chest didn't get all wet. Like, I'm soaked right now. My arms. Wish I didn't have to wait for this light. Oh, this is shitty. Yeah, my front of my jacket's already soaked. Just the front though, the back's not. I think I might try this whole leaning over the tank thing. See if I can keep the front of me a little bit drier. Oh, my vent, man, it's open. Yeah, this thing ain't gonna turn green. Should have gone over Fox Rabbit Hollow. Come on, go. I'm just gonna go for it. Fuck it. Oh, it hits your fingertips and it just friggin' hurts. I've never really rode in the rain on purpose, like I was saying, so I don't know how tires usually react in the rain. I'm not gonna go faster than I really should, but well, I'm doing 60 indicated, so it's probably more like 55 or so. And it fucking hurts. Ooh, that was lightning. That wasn't cool. You know, the things I do on my days off, oh look, I got a day off. Let's go for a fucking bike ride. I got a list of things that, you know, me and my brother have been keeping a list of stupid things, stupid ideas. Well, Bo, if you watch this, write this down on our list of stupid things that I did, or stupid things. Almost there. It's not really raining that hard, it just hurts my hands when it hits. I think I might be leaving the bike at Dad's house tonight and having him give me a ride back home. I don't think I'll have any dry clothes. Luckily, I'm glad I got this cover for my bag, my tank bag. Oh, almost there. About another mile and a half. I wonder how the camera is looking through the visor with all the rain on it. My jacket is soaked. There you go. There's something I need for Christmas. I need a raincoat. I do not have one. It would be nice to have one for instances like this. Because this sucks. Ouch. You see a bunch of guys on the touring bikes riding around. You know, they ride all different types of weather, so, and they're ready for it. They've got all this rain gear shit. This is what I get. Now, wet leaves, I don't like wet leaves in the truck, let alone out here. Seems like it's easing up a little bit. Sounds weird. Doesn't seem to be revving right. Almost like I have a miss. Yeah, it sounds like I got a miss. I got a full tank of gas. I just filled it up about a week ago. Oh, I don't like wet leaves. Oh, there it goes. Where's my brother? The list of stupid things just got one more on it. That was stupid. I'm wet. And that rain hitting you is like getting, you know that the game at the carnival and the fair where they load the BB gun up and you gotta shoot out the star? I feel like that star. Alright. I don't even know if they're still recording. Yeah, they're still going. Yeah. Oh. It sounded like it had a miss to it, too, when I was coming over.
Your bike?
Yeah. Oh, man. My arms are soaked.
When did it start?
It's a very, very steady rain, just like it is right now. It was like that the whole way over. But it was coming at 65 miles an hour.